Hey guys, this is Cool Dogs here. My brother is taking apart the Xbox, so I'm going to be filming that today.
So, it's a what's inside video. We've already found a battery.
I know what's inside, I already did it.
The Xbox turned on and off.
Console thing.
And you might be saying, wow, that's a waste of money. Well,
yeah,
this
it's
thing
broken.
is already broken and it's already been dead. And the
Don't
battery,
buy an Xbox.
Well, you can't buy an Xbox all you want. The battery is broken. And David, don't say that because people who have Xboxes will be offended.
And I don't want to get flagged, David.
Oh.
Flag is flag.
So
know.
he takes back that comment.
Yeah, he
And
does.
so the battery is like rotten. So.
Yeah. Camera, focus. Want me to...
Okay, David.
You can tell that's loud. The camera goes... The sound on your thing probably goes up like crazy.
So it's a what's inside video.
Yeah, what's inside? Now we have to get into the stupid box itself. And it does not want to open.
Oh,
Plus,
what?
we've had this for a very long time. We've had it for like 3 years, so to say.
And guys, we did make sure that there's no power left inside of it, so that's why we're not dead right now.
And I've seen a bunch of people do expensive more things on video. What's inside?
Yeah, like a love machine. Those are now $500.
Love machine?
Yeah, it tests your love.
That is weird.
I know.
Who does that?
What's inside? Sorry for... Yeah. What's so good? Whoa!
Ah. Where else do you go? Oh.
I have an idea.
Ooh, I think no, it's just right.
I have an
There, your mother. Effa.
Don't cuss on my channel.
Don't cuss.
Phil, don't say that.
Yeah.
Little kids could watch me. Don't forget to go
Yeah.
to my channel. David!
David, there's screws here that you can take out.
Yeah, me and Dad have already took those out.
And look what we found. What is this?
It's a piece. It's a button.
Oh, dude, it's the reset button.
No, it's a... Oh, yeah.
Oh, there
Whoa,
we
you
go.
took it apart, guys. It's very dusty in there. Like, wow.
So be careful. You have parent supervision doing this. Don't try this at home.
Whoa, this is big.
And we got parent supervision and parent...
Permission.
So don't try this at home, kids.
Yeah, but...
Don't try it anywhere.
Okay, this is crazy. I gotta show Dad. Dad!
We're showing it to my dad, Daniel Nelson, and Elizabeth Nelson.
Dad!
You guys haven't seen the previews for it
Got it
yet.
open. Okay, I don't really care. Oh. Okay. Oh, because he doesn't care. He don't care.
Oh, so we try to take
This
it
is all
apart.
the circuit board.
Oh, dude, did you see how big the stick is? Whoa, that's a big boy right there.
Yeah, it's a big circuit.
Dude, man, boy, whoa. It doesn't even have a fan.
I mean, you hold it and I do it.
Guys,
Yeah, the fans are right here.
oh, dang, this fan's tiny, guys.
This,
Don't hold it like that.
sister.
Yeah?
Look, this is the case that holds in the stuff. Just put this aside, and this reads it. This does all the whole. As you can see, it's old. It's an old Xbox.
Yeah. Did we get... Wow. Oh my god, that's super hard right there.
No, it's metal. It has power.
Look at this.
This
Not too stop. You're gonna waste the power. Look at these.
So guys,
We all know this Xbox will not work anymore.
yeah.
It's dead.
Nothing coming in.
See all that?
Turn back.
The Xbox dead. I don't know what else to do to it.
I wanna kill. I wanna try to kill one of these.
No, because I don't know what that is. I'm gonna break it.
Okay. David's gonna break it.
To my little friend. Hi.
It's not good. I don't think not many people would watch this video. It is taking apart a freaking Xbox.
No, what's inside did a video on taking apart an Xbox, and he got a lot of views and made money off it.
If you want to know what's wrong with our Xbox, basically we're copying.
No, a lot of people have done this
There's
before.
so many copies in here too, David.
Well, one thing I do know about this thing,
Like the 100-degree knife. Everybody's been doing that.
I want to see what the heck's inside of this.
Okay, we're gonna see what the heck is inside of that, but first let me give a tour of it. So first, this looks crazy and difficult.
The controls to this thing. So circle to down here, telling everything what to do. Sending it to the TV, and I want to know what's inside a TV now.
Don't take apart my TV.
No, let's go and buy a very cheap TV and just take apart it.
The cheapest one there is like $300. Once you get out of here, too.
The control thing.
Because I want to pay this.
I don't want you really touching them there, because there might be battery acids in there.
Look at that.
Let's
Well, David cut it open now. As you
How do
did.
you get into it? How do you get into it? I don't know. I'm like, I feel so weird taking apart like this.
I feel so awesome.
It smells weird.
Yeah.
No, that's just the smoke in the air.
Yeah, that is. If you
The
guys
forest virus.
know what's happening right now, there's a bunch of forest fires going on. It's very smoky. That's why my videos is getting white.
We don't have gloomy skies. We just have really bad smoke.
Yeah.
Last year it was so bad that we weren't able to go outside at school.
Fuck.
You okay?
I hurt my hand.
But school hasn't started yet.
School starts on Monday. It's on Monday.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I already talked about it, guys, that videos are not going to be uploaded that much since I have school. So it might be dark and I might have to use flashlight for my gaming videos inside the Cool Dogs. The Cool Dogs headquarters.
I mean, you're still in that hut of a house.
Focus. See that?
Hey!
That?
Why'd you come back outside?
Still.
Can't get this one open.
Woo!
No.
This holds the CD, and I got to get this thing open. So,
It doesn't have anything in it, David.
Yeah, it does. It has a CD in it.
No, we took that out.
yeah.
Yes.
How did you guys take
It all has a. Oh, there's nail polish. What are you doing right there,
Painting
Mrs.?
a balloon, and I'm gonna pop the balloon, and there'll be an outside ring.
Okay. Dude, this. How do you get in?
This is what you do when you're bored, kid.
No, David, just slam it on the ground.
No, I want breaking components.
The what parts?
The components.
Oh, it has screws.
Oh, it does.
Oh my god. I bet little ants are like, is there an earthquake?
It's not connected.
Sure it's not going outwards? How do you make it go outwards? How about you use the screwdriver? You're pushing it in.
What if I do this? doesn't do nothing.
It's metal. What do you expect?
But it's not going to work because it's not hard to. This thing don't want to come.
I'm gonna get a lot of subscribers for this.
Okay, I think I lost my hearing.
No, David, you should shoot it with the BB gun.
No, I'm not shooting it with the BB gun. The BB gun not gonna do that to it.
That would be so funny. You dang it! To pass
That's a
the
good idea. Pin a balloon. Yeah.
guys, it's gonna be a while for it. It's gonna be about 2 hours for this video to upload. So, guys, if this video uploads, we're not dead.
Oh
God, David
got that
took that.
piece and
Oh, Sissy, you're killing me.
No, I'm not.
That smells so bad. Ugh. Look at all that blood on my finger.
Fake.
I know.
Just strawberries.
Strawberries.
Listen, will you hold